today we are going to start the operators in the Python. Okay, what does it mean by operator? Now, operator is a symbol. Okay, now it is used to perform some operation. Okay, it is used to perform some operation. Now we have different types of operators in the Python. Okay, the first one, arithmetic operator. Okay, arithmetic operator. Now, second one, relational operator. Okay, relation operator, or we can say like a comparison operator. Okay, comparison operator. Now, third one, logical operator. The fourth one, bitwise operator. Okay, bitwise operator. Now, fifth one, assignment operator. Okay, now sixth one, special operators. Okay, special operators. Okay, now these are the types of operators we have in the Python. Okay, arithmetic operator, relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and the assignment operator, and the special operator. Okay, now here the arithmetic operators. Okay, now arithmetic operators are, now arithmetic operator are, now plus symbol, simply we can say like addition. Okay, now subtraction, now multiplication, now division. Now we can say like it's a modulus, and a floor division, and a exponential. Okay, now these are the arithmetic operators we have. Okay, then how we can perform operations by using these operators? Okay, how we can perform operations by using these operators? Okay, observe carefully here. Now we have a is equal to like 20. Now b is equal to 2. Now I can perform a plus b, 22, a minus b, 18. Now a into b, now we got like 40. Now a division by b, we got like 10.0. Now a modulus b, now we got like 0. Now a exponential b, now we got like 400. Okay, now here if you observe that like division and the floor division, did I use like any floor division? No. Now a floor division with a b, we got like 10. Okay, now what is the difference between this division and the floor division? What is the difference between them? Okay, now if I use the division in the two values, if any value, okay, if any value is a float, okay, if any value is a float, then output is a float value. Okay, output is a float value. For suppose if it is a floor division, okay, if any value, like if both values, okay, if both values are into value, output is a into one, output is into only. If any value is a float, then output is a float only. Okay, output is a float. That is a difference between like normal division and the floor division values. Okay, now next, in this Python, we can use this plus operator and the multiplication symbol. Okay, we can use these two symbols in the str concept also. Okay, then how we can use? Now the plus operator we can use. Okay, in the str concept, if both are str type, then we can do concatenation. Okay, now like this simply. If you observe that, for suppose simply here, Satya plus 10 I'm using. Okay, in this case we are getting error. Why? Now we are using here, one is a str type, one is int type. It's not possible, but both should be, okay, string type only. Now simply here like Satya, and like even though it's a number, you can use in the string type, then that is a better. Now we got like Satya 10. Okay, now you know that like the multiplication symbol 2 into like Satya, in the sense like the 2 times the Satya is going to be 10. Okay, now 2.5 into like Satya I want to print. Now it's not possible. Why? The float value. Okay, now can't multiply sequence by non-int. Non-int in the sense like the floating point I'm using here. Okay, that's a purpose. Okay, that's a point here. Okay, now if you want to use, okay, the both values should be string type. Okay, otherwise if you are using other type, simply we are not going to get. Okay, the plus operator is using to string concatenation operator. Okay, this symbol we can call like string multiplication operator. Okay, now we have one more requirement, something by 0. For suppose like 23 by 0 now, or 34 modulus by 0. Okay, now we are not going to get an output, we are going to get 0 division error. Okay, 0 division error in the Python. Okay, now in the case of like Java, we are going to get like a slash by 0, something by 0, slash by 0, we are going to get arithmetic exception we are going to get. Okay, now that's a point in the arithmetic values. Okay, if you observe that here we are going to get 0 division error. Now 12 by 0, now here 0 division error we are going to get. Okay, 0 division error, division by 0. Okay, but suppose 34 modulus by like 0, now again we are going to get a 0 division error. Okay, now next, the relationship operator. Okay, yeah, relationship operator. Now what are the relationship operators we have? Now relationship operators. Now the relationship operators are greater than, greater than or equal to 0, less than, less than or equal to 0. Okay, now these are the relationship operators. Okay, now if you observe that, now a is equal to 20, now b is equal to 10. Now I am using a less than b. Okay, a is less than b, false. A is greater than b, true. Now a less than or equal to b, okay, false. A greater than or equal to b, now the condition is true. Okay, now not only these values, we can use some names also, we can use it. Okay, names also we can use it. For suppose simply here, now x is equal to like Satya, and y is equal to again Satya. Okay, now if you consider x less than y, condition is false. Now x greater than y, condition is false. Now x less than or equal to y, condition is true. Now x greater than or equal to y, condition is true. Okay, now not only here, we can use like both true condition. For suppose I want to print like I want to print now true, true greater than true. What is the condition here? Now output is like a false we are going to get. Okay, both conditions are true, one greater than one, the condition is false. Okay, now true greater than false, false greater than true. Okay, like this also we can use okay, in the relationship operator. Okay, now next one. Okay, now one more point here in the relationship operator. Now we can perform some chaining operation. What does it mean by chaining operation? In the sense, observe carefully here. Now print for suppose 10 less than 20. Okay, basically we know that like it is a normal operation only. Again 20 less than 30. Okay, it is a chaining operation.